Hello and welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Cooking Radiology. Please do like, subscribe and share these videos, and yes, don't forget to press bell icon to get updates about new videos. So these are few images of my YouTube channel. This is a desktop version and this is a mobile version. Please do subscribe to my channel and watch my videos and do share them. So in the today talk, we'll talk about how to attend an online quiz session. I'm talking about Kahoot quiz session we have been conducted. I have conducted one session before also. So in this talk, I'll tell you how to attend a session for those who have not attended it before. So also a bonus song suggestion will follow at the end of the video. So please stay connected till the end. So to attend a quiz session online, you need two devices. One is your mobile phone and one is laptop or an iPad. So with one device, preferably your phone, you will log in at Kahoot. I'll show you how to log in at Kahoot later on in this video. And I will share game pin for the quiz with you over a Zoom meeting and on WhatsApp group simultaneously. So with that game pin, you will log in the Kahoot and you will answer the questions from that mobile. So you have to answer question from mobile. You will only get to see four options A, B, and C, D. You will not get to see questions or images of the quiz over the by logging in at Kahoot. So for that you need another device, preferably a tablet or laptop or an iPad, where you will join with me over a Zoom meeting for the quiz questions. I will share my screen, my quiz session. You will get to see all the questions over the Zoom meeting, and you have to answer it over the phone. So you need two devices. That's clear, I guess. So now you can also sit together in groups, like if you are studying in same college, if you are together, if you are in the same hospital, you can sit together in groups of two and three persons or four persons, and you can see the questions on laptop on a common laptop, and then you can separately log in Kahoot from your phones to answer the questions separately. Also, you can prefer not to answer the question and just attend a quiz, but I think you can attend a quiz. It's all about learning. It's not about winning the game. So now I'll show you how to attend a Kahoot session. So this is my channel Cooking Radiology. Please do subscribe it. You can log into Kahoot over a Windows app or a desktop browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever it is, or you can download the Kahoot app from Play Store or Google Play Store or the Apple Store. It is available. So now this is the report of previous Kahoot we have conducted. Hmm. So this is my library of Kahoot. You can see the home, and these are my Kahoots. I have made three Kahoots. So this is the report after last Kahoot I. This is the SGPGI quiz last Kahoot. This is duplicate of Jigar Ke Tukde. This was one of the Kahoots we conducted way back in December 7, 2019. And this is the recent one conducted on February 3rd. So 49 players participated in the quiz who actually answered questions in the quiz, and there were like 30 40 more persons who attended the quiz without answering it. So this is how it goes. The next quiz I'll be taking is here. It's lockdown Kahoot. I have made 17 questions and I'll make few more, like 5 10 questions maybe, and then we can announce the date for the quiz, and then we can go ahead with the quiz. So now this is how we play the quiz. Okay, I'll share my screen in the quiz. I'll start the quiz, and then I'll host the meeting. When I'll host the meeting, it will open a new tab with the game pin. So you all need to join with this game pin from your phones. So this is how it will go. You need to join. Game pin is loading. You have to wait for a few seconds. And while the game pin loads, I want to tell you that there will be some surprises for those of you who will make it to the merit of the quiz. So this is how the game pin will load here. It will be a six-digit number 1 2 3 4 5 6 say, and then you will enter the same six digits from your device. So you can also enter. So you will go here, enter game pin, library discover. So this is how it goes. This is the game pin, and these are the all last where it is showing who joined. So you all have to join. You can just enter the game pin, and we'll all be at the same platform. And then I'll share my screen and question you, and you have to answer. That's all about Kahoot. So now that's all for the quiz session. Now dates for the quiz will be announced later on WhatsApp group. So now it's time for the song suggestion for this talk. Any guesses? You can tell me later on. So here is a song. It's Arriving Somewhere But Not Here by Porcupine Tree. I have shared this song many times on my Instagram and WhatsApp. Those of you who are connected might be knowing this song. So please do like, subscribe, and share these videos. And just don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated about my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you very soon. Goodbye.